Okay, I'm back. Tonight I'm gonna show you how to make a mustard sauce for an oven baked lambs. Okay, my lambs is inside the oven. I will show you later when I serve it. I remove the butter from the pan, so I need the remaining. Okay, so I'll just pour some broth, okay, meat broth in the pan, okay, and then you stir it, okay, there is it. Then what I will do, I'm gonna add some mustard, okay, here's my mustard, okay, okay. There you are. Very simple, huh? Yeah. So, next we're gonna add some cream, okay? We have some cream. So, okay, instead of salt, I will use chicken cubes, okay, or beef cubes, or yeah, not so much, okay. And then I'm gonna add some white pepper, okay. Okay, and later I will show you how I serve it. Okay, so it's ready. And taste it. Perfect. Santa Maria, perfect. Very delicious. You try this at home as a sauce for your roasted lambs, okay? So I'll show you later how I serve this, okay? So here is my lambs, okay, ribs. I'm gonna slice it and serve it with my mustard sauce. So that's my lamb, and I'm gonna serve it with the roasted potato, okay? Here. There you are. Now, you can serve this with your favorite salad. And now, the sauce. Here, the sauce I make. Okay? Now, put it like that. Okay? Or you can separate it in a small. Okay. So that's it. I hope you like my video. And thanks for watching. And that is my oven baked lambs with oven baked potatoes. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. And that is my lambs, oven baked lambs with mustard sauce.